So in this drill, it's called chair volleyball. So it helps with passing technique, and you can do this with a partner. So my daughter just threw the, this is my daughter Tegan. She's gonna help us, and she's a beginning, and my dog Ellie. She's a beginning volleyball player, but she's a really great soccer player. So, and she's in 8th grade. So one person is going to sit in the chair, okay? And you're gonna have a good volleyball stance. So you're gonna have your knees bent and your platform out. Remember, one hand over another. She's gonna try to toss the ball right here, so like right in front of my belly button. If she tosses it behind me, it's not gonna work. So it has to be a really good toss. So you can work on that, and then all you're doing is you're meeting it and passing it back to
Ellie.
your partner. Good. Go out of the way. Good. And so I'm going to have Tegan do it, and I'm going to put the camera to the side so you can see a little bit of how that works. Okay? Our dog is giving us problems today. All right. So give me your stance. So basically we're doing a good stance just like you would be like in a squat position for a good passing form. Show us your platform. Good. She wants to have straight arms, and we want to kind of hit the ball right here. So lean forward just a tad. Good. So I'm going to toss it to her. I'm kind of tossing outside the camera. Whoop. So that was a bad toss. Better toss. Nice. And so just meet the ball. Don't swing your arms, and you're trying to get it up. Good. Good passes. She's hitting on your forearm. She's got straight arms. I'm giving her a good toss. And if I don't give her a good toss, that's what happens. So I'm making sure it's a good toss. Sorry. You did better than I did. Nice. One more. Good one. Good. And so that's volleyball passing.